21F polyglot, law student. I practice pistol shooting and I love men. Do your best. Just because you've had hundreds of men tell you no thanks in a dozen different languages doesn't make you a polyglot. Pretty sure I've seen you in a Russian bang bus. You were the driver, right? Lesbian here. Big shout out to the men of this world who would bang this mess and keep it straight. If she turned gay, it would destroy an entire porn genre. She learned 7 different languages so she could ask for the manager in 7 different countries. I love men. I used to be one.